San Diego, California, a city formerly renowned chiefly for its climate and vacation facilities. Now it's famous for something more, its mushrooming aircraft industry, in which more than 40,000 men and women are currently employed. One of the nation's leading manufacturers of components for the planes we need so urgently is Solar Aircraft Company, which, like other defense industries, is coping with tremendous problems of growth. The demand for new facilities, new workers, and greater production has been met here at Solar by a remarkable system for rapidly integrating new employees into the constantly expanding organization. The newcomer's past experience is gone over for any previously acquired skills. Indoctrination courses acquaint him with the sort of close tolerance, precision work he'll be doing. Then, to polish up that partly developed skill, he may receive special training to fit him for one of the hundreds of different types of jobs in the 22-acre plant. Finally, he gets his identification badge, and he's ready to begin helping to turn out something called an exhaust manifold. But not before his foreman explains how this integral part of an airplane engine carries away the burn gases from the cylinders, at the same time utilizing those gases to perform a variety of vital functions. The pre-cut stainless steel that will be fabricated into manifolds is brought in to be formed. This is done on heavy drop hammers that are the pride of Solar's engineers, who designed the unique dies that stamp the metal into the most intricate shapes. Even more amazing to the visitor are the nibblers that snip off excess metal with the efficiency of a good pair of scissors cutting through paper. Welders tack the seams to hold the parts rigidly in position when the assembly goes to the roll welder. Because of the constant vibration and high temperatures the manifolds will encounter in the air, every weld must be flawless. This is the roll welder, which automatically joins flanges to the steel form. The airplane's exhaust system must expand and contract without stress on the engine, so each section must conform to closely regulated limits to fit perfectly with other parts. Painstaking inspections make sure that it does. A section of the manifold with its ends capped and air pressure applied inside is submerged in water. Even the most minute, invisible pinholes would be revealed by a stream of tiny bubbles. One of the newer developments perfected by Solar is the coating of the hot parts of an aircraft with ceramics. After the part has been fired in the kill, it will have a glass-hard protective coat that will prevent oxidation at high temperatures. The service life of the manifold is extended. And thus do the men and women who a year ago may have been working in a nightclub in Texas or an office in Missouri produce in ever-growing numbers the aircraft parts that may be unromantic, but without which the giant B-36s, for example, would never leave the ground. So when the huge Pratt & Whitney engine turns over and starts burning up fuel in almost unbelievable volume, the blistering, corroding exhaust that results not only is conducted safely away, but is made to perform a few more useful jobs on the way out. This is the baby that'll deliver the A-bomb if it has to be delivered. Consolidated Vultee and the Air Force are proud of their B-36. But so are a lot of people at the Solar plant in San Diego. People who, though they themselves may not take off into the wild blue yonder, will see their handiwork, the product of their hands and minds, go in their stead.